I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day to lose weight on keto. So I work today, so I'll be gone all day. So I will pack all of my food, so I will show you every single thing that I will eat today. Okay, so here it is. So I fast for 19 hours, eat for about 5.5. So here is some turkey meatballs, cauliflower rice, a little bit of cheddar cheese, green salad with a little bit of blue cheese, and then a little bit of balsamic dressing. For a snack, I'll have just some pork rinds, maybe a Quest bar if I get hungry. I'll have an afternoon coffee. This is MCT oil with a little bit of skinny syrup. For dinner at 5:30, I will have 4 ounces of beef, broccoli, green beans, a little bit of cheddar. Dessert, a Too Good yogurt with some walnuts and pecans. So that's what I will have. Again, I fast for 19 hours, eat for about 5. This is about 1,500, 1,400 calories, somewhere around there. And I always say under 20 grams of net carbs.